So what's up and welcome back. And today I have a big surprise for Mia. And today we're gonna get Mia. We got a dog. So I'm so excited. This is my new office. What do you guys like about it? I think it's really cool. But um, but Mia's showing her face today. So Sophia. But so, Mia, what are you doing? If you don't know, Mia is big now. So yeah. What you doing, Mia? What is this person doing in front of our house? But Mia, I have a big surprise for you. Mia? Okay, guys. But Mia, I have a surprise for you. It's in your room, and it's like really active. It's something that runs, and yeah, come, let's go look. You'll see. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! It peed on his. It peed on your bed. Oh my God. Okay, let me go get a napkin. It smells like urine. Ugh. Hold on, let me clean up that urine. Hold on one sec, guys. Okay, guys. So we got the dog down and we cleaned up the urine, but here he is. He's cute, isn't he? Isn't he cute? Like how is he not cute? What is that noise outside? Hold up. Those kids better not be riding their dirt bikes. Dora and like a granny is riding a dirt bike outside. I don't know what is going on. Okay. Well, the dog can hang out in our room. I have to do so much work in my office today. Gosh. Let me go to my office. I have to go to my office. Let's go to my office. I'm gonna do a little bit of work, guys, since I need to get rid of all this work done, so yeah. Okay, let's mark this one. Finally, that took forever. Um, hey, sweetie, did the dog pee in your room again or anything? Good, because I'm sorry that he peed in your room. I don't even know what this is here. It was Lucy. She came over a little bit. What is this granny riding her dirt bike? She just teleported. A granny. A granny teleported. So where'd she go? She keeps leaving. Maybe I shouldn't mind my own business. Not the Unicorn Show. I have to sue this show. I forgot who the company was. I'm definitely gonna sue this show very soon. For now, not now, because I'm not gonna sue it. It's already getting like so. Today's just not a good day outside. You ordered food? Okay, well, bud. Oh my god, he's so cute. I think, hold on. Let's bring him downstairs very quickly because I'm gonna, come on, buddy. Let's see if he'll follow me downstairs. Okay, guys, so here he is. He just followed me downstairs. You know, he's getting used to us. Oh, the burgers are already here. Dang. That was pretty fast. I'm gonna eat very quickly. A Whopper? Where? From where? Burger King? I find McDonald's pretty disgusting, not gonna lie. No, I love Burger King better and Wendy's. I feel like I'm so tired. I'm gonna go see if every bed is made in the house. Um, yes. I don't mind this. I don't know what I did when I was doing something. Where are you going? I don't know what I did. Do you want, I mean, like, do you want to keep your room right now? Um, the one you have right now, or do you want to switch it up? I'll get rid of, I'll keep the bed in that room. Maybe if Lucy gets older, and I'll keep this bed, and then we'll bring your PC in here, and we'll bring your poster in here. I don't know why. Like, I think your older brother did that. I don't know. Or something. You are hungry. Mia, can dogs be fed burgers? I'm pretty sure they can. It's meat. Just make sure he doesn't eat the whole plate. There you go. Okay, guys. So, he ate it. That's really good. Why is there a burger on the floor? He already ate one. He can't eat two. I don't have a currently. I only have a bed in for him in my office. Actually, if he wants to lay with me while I do work in my office, but it's fine. What should we name him? I'm thinking, doesn't he look like the dog from Garfield, Odie? He looks like that's his bed. Yeah. Does, doesn't he look like the dog from Garfield, Odie? What? Okay, I feel like I think I want to name him and me and Mia. How do you like Odie? I think it's cute. We're naming him Odie. Officially because he looks like the dog. He looks like it from Odie from Garfield. Um, it's almost bed, like in a couple hours. I normally at 5 o'clock I go to bed, but she goes to bed later, don't you? We're not changing your room today. Mm, okay. Bloopers, 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 bloopers. The dog looks dislocated. I think I did not kind of do a good job on making this dog looks dislocated. Okay. Um, what she doing, meow me knock. Okay, you ready? Okay, something, whatever. It's almost, oh my god, it's almost like bedtime. I think I'll start getting ready. Is he gonna sleep with you tonight? I think he's gonna sleep with me tonight. You have to sleep more. We'll fix this late. No, this is not your bed. It's not done. Soon that will be your room. Go ice it in. Spend one more night, then we'll move furniture around. It's fine. I'm gonna go start taking a shower just because. I need to. I need to get a shower. She's off. Louise. What? What? There are napkin holders in your room. Where? Where? Girl, I don't tell what, I can't see. There are no napkin holders. Are you seeing things? Cause I gotta get in the shower. I need to get my night routines on. It's already 5 o'clock. I'm supposed to be heading to bed. We tell me how to do it, shall. Okay, perfect. Let me just brush my teeth. Here. Good morning, red bird. Good morning, red bird. Well, good night, red bird. Wash my hands. Perfect. Where are you? Oh, how cute. Do you want the dog to sleep with me or you tonight? Do you want the dog to sleep with me or you tonight? He won't pee on your bed, but fine, he can lay on my bed. No, not that stupid unicorn again. Turn off that TV. We got a big day coming tomorrow, you know? You don't care if we have a... Oh my god. She don't care if we have a big day coming. This room has to get fixed immediately. Get in your bed. It's bed. Bed. Are all your lights off? Let me just change. Okay. There we go. Good night, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of this video, but let me go just check in. Mia over here. Make sure she's not on. Perfect. She is not on. I'm just gonna leave the room. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sophia, wanna say bye? No? Her stuffy is cute. Odie is gonna say bye. Say bye, Odie. Well, even though he's a dog. Good night, guys.